Hi guys, it's been a while. Happy New Year. It's been well over a month since I last did a video for this channel. It's going to be videos ahoy very soon. There are going to be a lot of DJ related videos on this channel as well, but I will get back to the electronics and we'll be making sure we go through the digital computer electronics book and building up to that SAP computer. I'm quite looking forward to that, and building prototypes and all that sort of stuff. So that will be coming back on the channel, so just bear with me for a moment. But first of all, there's going to be some DJ stuff, because I am a DJ part-time as well. And I'm just going to go through some new equipment and just looking at a few things and reviewing a few items on the channel. But that's just because I want to do that. And since YouTube are going to demonetize this channel anyway, I just may as well do some fun stuff. Little £1 a month that was keeping it going. It was just a nice little incentive, you know, but they've taken that away. So yes, anyway, that's my small rant. I could go on for ages on that, because that really does piss me off. But anyway, thank you very much for staying on this channel, and hopefully in the future I'll be able to get those 4,000 hours of views in a year and 1,000 subscribers at some point. But, you know, I'm not going to hold my breath, because I'll die waiting for it. Just enjoy the videos that are coming up. If you like them, hit like. If you don't like them, just don't watch them. Simple as that. So we're gonna just do some random stuff. There'll be some vlogs as well. I'm going out vinyl hunting soon, so there'll be a video there of me going into Camden and just digging through crates of stuff with some friends, popping into Cyberdog, things like that. So yeah, just stick around, we'll have some fun. Maybe there might be something that you find interesting. We'll never know. Okay, well, thank you very much for watching this video, and if you want to subscribe, you can. You know, we need 1,000 of them to get monetization back, plus 4,000 hours, so just put a video on repeat or something and leave it playing at work while you're away at the weekend or something like that. Anyway, thank you very much for watching, and until the next time to the next video, catch you later. Bye!